Welcome back to Learn English Free, where we help you excel in your English language journey. Today, I'm excited to share with you an IELTS Writing Task essay that I've written to give you insights and tips on how to structure your own responses. Whether you're preparing for the IELTS or just looking to improve your writing skills, this video is for you. Rich countries often give money to poorer countries, but it does not solve poverty. Therefore, developed countries should give other types of help to poor countries rather than financial aid. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Donating impoverished nations is common as the affluent ones consider it their responsibility to reduce the suffering of the inhabitants. Unfortunately, whatsoever donation is made in the form of money is unable to reduce or curb poverty, and the locals still remain destitute. Therefore, the need is to help in other ways, such as creating employment opportunities, providing commodities at less or no cost. To start with the reasons to look for alternatives, the investment in setting business in the undeveloped nations make the people self-dependent when they work there. Their skills improve, which make them self-dependent while working in the companies set by the rich nations. Besides, it spreads a positive wave which encourages to earn livelihood by working rather than begging. If required, the people need medical aid must be given medicine which can help them to cure their illness and get recovery for healthy survival. Apart from this, providing vocational training, scholarships, and technology transfer can empower individuals to contribute to economic growth. Sometimes, corruption and mismanagement in governance halt the money going to right hand. For instance, large amounts of aid have been sent to South Sudan, but ongoing conflicts, weak governance, and misuse of funds have hindered poverty reduction efforts. However, the financial aid can help them to buy the things of basic needs which are required to be fulfilled, and the end users can have it as per their need. The natural disasters in such areas require money immediately to save the victims from the detrimental impact of catastrophes. Instead of relying on long-term aid, Rwanda has focused on technology-driven development, healthcare, and self-sufficiency. International partnerships, such as tech investments from companies like Google, have helped Rwanda become one of Africa's fastest-growing economies. In conclusion, there is need to have different ways to help the people of poor countries. Only financial aid cannot serve the purpose, as if it goes in wrong hands then can be misused. So, the different ways can be used to help the needy ones. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and resources on mastering English. Leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next. Good luck with your IELTS preparation, and see you in the next video.